Welcome back to Miss Happy English. I'm Jenny.
Hi, Jenny. Hi, everyone. I'm John. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Today, you're going to listen to a real lifestyle conversation between John and me. We had plans to meet for dinner tonight, but something changed.
And honestly, this kind of situation happens all the time. You get tired, work runs late, your mood changes, life happens.
So, as you listen, I want you to pay attention not just to the words, but to the feelings behind the words. How do we cancel plans without sounding cold? How do we show that we still care? Let's start.
Hey, Jenny? Do you have a minute?
Yeah, of course. What's going on?
So, this is a little uncomfortable to bring up.
Uh-oh. That already sounds serious.
Yeah, I know. I promise it's nothing dramatic. It's just about tonight.
Tonight? Oh, dinner.
Yeah. We said 7, right?
7 o'clock. I was actually just about to start getting ready.
Oh. Okay. That makes this even harder to say.
Now you're making me nervous. What happened?
I don't think I can make it.
Oh. Okay. What happened?
Work just completely exploded this afternoon. One meeting turned into 3, 3 turned into a problem, and now my manager wants something done by tomorrow morning. And honestly, my brain feels like it's full of noise.
Yeah, that sounds exhausting.
It really is. I've been staring at numbers and emails for hours, and I can feel myself getting slower and grumpier.
That's usually not a great dinner personality.
Exactly, and that's part of why I feel bad. I was really looking forward to tonight. I just don't think I'd be good company right now.
I appreciate you being honest. I mean, I won't lie, I was excited about it. It's been a long week, and I was kind of counting on good food and complaining about life.
Yeah, that actually sounds really nice right now.
So yeah, I'm a little disappointed, but I get it.
And that's the part that makes this awkward. I don't want you to think I don't care or that I'm canceling because I don't feel like seeing you.
I didn't think that, but I'm really glad you said it.
Every time I cancel plans, I overthink it. I start wondering, do I sound rude? Do I sound unreliable? Do I sound like I don't care?
Yeah, those thoughts show up fast.
They really do. And then I end up talking in circles like this.
You kind of are.
Yeah, I know. I just don't want to hurt you.
I can hear that.
I'm really sorry, Jenny.
Thank you. And thanks for telling me directly. Honestly, that matters more than people realize.
I would never just disappear.
Good. Because that would actually hurt.
Yeah, I know. So, what are you thinking? Do you want to reschedule or just see how things go?
Right now, I'm honestly just trying to get through today. My brain can't plan anything beyond food and sleep.
That's fair. I hate being the person who always says maybe.
You're not always that person.
It just feels like it today.
I get that.
Let's pause here for a moment. If you noticed, John didn't only cancel the plan, he shared how his day went. He talked about how he felt, and he said out loud that he didn't want to hurt me.
That's really important. When plans change, people usually don't feel bad because dinner was canceled. They feel bad when they feel unimportant or easily replaced. So soft, natural English often focuses on emotion and connection, not just information. Now, let's continue the conversation and listen to how it becomes clearer, warmer, and more complete.
Hey, can I try saying this again, but a little more clearly?
Of course.
I really was looking forward to tonight. I think that's why I'm so frustrated about canceling. It's just that today turned out heavier than I expected. And right now, I don't feel like I have enough energy to really be present. And I don't want to sit across from you half awake, checking my phone, and calling that spending time together.
Thank you for saying it like that. That actually changes how it feels.
I don't want you to feel like you were just an easy thing to drop from my day. You're not.
I know, and hearing you say it out loud helps more than you think.
Would you be open to rescheduling? Not in a vague someday way, but actually picking another time.
Yeah, I'd like that.
How does Friday evening sound? No work, no rushing, just food and a normal, relaxed conversation.
Friday sounds really nice.
Okay, then it's a real plan again.
It is.
And I'm really sorry for changing things last minute. I know that's never great.
It's not ideal, but it's human. And honestly, I'd rather you tell me the truth than show up exhausted and somewhere else in your head.
That means a lot.
Get some rest tonight.
I will. And on Friday, dinner's on me.
We'll negotiate that later.
Fair enough.
So let's look at what made this conversation feel softer and more natural. John didn't only say, "I can't come." He added things like, "I was really looking forward to it. I don't feel like I can be fully present. I don't want you to feel unimportant." These kinds of sentences protect the relationship. So when your plans change, you can think about 3 simple ideas. First, show that the plan mattered. Second, explain honestly without over-explaining. Third, care about how the other person might feel. That's what makes English sound polite and human.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you plan to meet someone, but today completely drained you. Pause the video for a moment and think, what would you say?
Here's one natural example. "Hey, I'm really sorry to do this last minute. I was honestly looking forward to seeing you, but today ended up being heavier than I expected, and I don't think I can be fully present. Could we reschedule?" You don't have to copy the words, just notice the feeling behind them.
Thanks for listening to this conversation.
This is Miss Happy English, real English for real life.
We'll be back with another real situation very soon.
Until then, take care, and we'll talk to you next time.